Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2024. As we stand here today, on the cusp of a new chapter in our lives, I am now filled with a sense of pride and, of course, excitement. Graduates, we work hard tirelessly to reach this moment. And today's mark the culmination of our years of hard work, our dedication, and of course our perseverance. May we never forget those support system that has brought us to this point. May we always cherish the relationship we have built, the friendship that we have formed, and of course, the mentors who have guided us along the way. May we always remember to express our gratitude to those who have believed in us, and of course to those who supported us through thick and thin. As we step into the real world, may we remember that we always have the power to shape our own destiny. May we believe in ourselves, to trust in our abilities, and never underestimate that we have this impact that can in terms in our world. Be bold, be courageous, and never ashamed to dream big. Class of 2024, as we move forward, carry with you the lesson that learned, and of course the memories that we have made, and of course most importantly the values that define us. Embrace the future with open arms, knowing that you have the knowledge, the skills, and the determination to succeed. Congratulations, graduate. The world awaits us. Our brilliance, our passions, and of course, our unique contribution. Go forth and make our mark on the world. Thank you, and God bless.